Hello everyone, welcome back to InfoMinutes. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to resize the taskbar in Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with a new taskbar with a centered design. However, we can't customize the taskbar in Windows 11, but using some simple hacks, you can change its size and icon size. Okay, let's see. The easiest way to change the Windows 11 taskbar size is with a registry edit. Modifying the Windows registry can cause serious problems if not used properly. Before modifying it, create a full backup of your system. Search for Registry Editor and then open it. Use the folders on the left side to navigate to the advanced key. Right-click in the right pane and go to New and then select DWord 32-bit value. When asked for a name, type Taskbar SI and then press Enter. Double-click it to open an edit box. Change the number and then select OK. We have three options for value data: 0 for small taskbar, 1 for default taskbar, 2 for big taskbar. Restart the computer to apply the changes. The default taskbar size can be restored by typing 1 or deleting the taskbar SI value. After a reboot, the taskbar will return to its normal size. It is quite risky if we accidentally delete or edit a different value. Restoring the backup is always an option. Okay guys, thanks for checking this out. I'll see you in the next video.